guys, my name is Daniel from Rushfaster. Today we're checking out the Rushfaster See-Through Top Packing Cubes. Okay, these are the Rushfaster See-Through Top Packing Cubes. It comes in a set of 3. We got a small one, we got a medium one, and we got a large one. Right now I've got them packed out with the large one containing my shoes. These are size 11. And we still got another 2 inches or so below that. So you should go up to size 13 really easily. I've got the shoes facing inwards together with the bottom of the shoe facing the bottom of the other shoe, just to keep things a little bit cleaner. You can also use this for shorts, trousers, and t-shirts. I use this only for shoes. It does get a little bit dirty, so once there's shoes in there, this one's forever a shoe pouch for me. But you can get another set and use it for shoes and then use the other one for trousers and shorts and whatever. In the medium size, I've got my t-shirts. I got 4 shirts rolled up. I think I got a few shirts underneath as well. Let me see. Yeah, there might be. And then I've got the small packed out with some rolled up shirts at the moment as well. We're going to pack these out with different things and see what fits in. First, let me just go through the features of the pouch. So of course, they do have a very thin nylon see-through top, so you get a bit of an understanding of what's in your packing cube. We find that really handy for when you're traveling. You don't have to rummage and open zippers and look through all of your packing cubes. So we definitely wanted to make sure there was a see-through top when we designed these. We got quality YKK zippers, as always, with every Rushfaster thing that we do. And we've got Hyperlon pull tabs. And we also have a little pull tab down here and a loop up the top so that we can pull these zippers back and forth nice and easily. So let's have a look at what we can get into these pouches. I'm going to just unstuff the small one at the moment. So that's just 2 large t-shirts in the small one. So you normally wouldn't put t-shirts in that. What you would probably put in this is socks and jocks. So let's have a look. Got some socks here. Let me just pack it out with socks. How about we do that? I reckon we'll easily get just 5 socks in this. A little bit messy. You could probably get 6 pairs of socks in there nice and easily. I folded these nice and neatly. Isn't that nice? These are all brand new, by the way. We're not using secondhand jocks in this video. So I even looked on YouTube how to fold them properly so they're nice and neat. So check that out. So this is 4 pairs. I reckon we'll easily get 6 pairs in. Oh man, this is so organized and lovely. Alrighty, so we got 6 pairs of bonds in there, and you can see clearly this is the underwear pouch. 6 is about all you can fit into this small pouch. Let's move the small pouch along for a bit and let's open up the medium size. Currently, I've got this packed out with just 4 tees, 4 cotton tees. So if you are rolling your tees and putting them in this pat, 4 is the number. Let's see how many underwears we can get in here. So I think we'll probably get about 10. 10 underwears in the medium size. Also, by the way, guys, you can hang them on things. So yeah, in the medium size, we've got space for 4 tees rolled up. You can also fold the tees in half, place them down like this as well. If you don't want to roll them, you can do that as well. You probably fit the exact same amount in there. And then, as I said before, once the shoes go in here, for me, it's always a shoe pouch. I'm not putting anything else in here. It's just shoes. But inside of here, look at this. You can imagine a pair of trousers in there, like chinos, a couple of pairs of shorts, not a problem. Maybe a couple of tees. So that's using these pouches as packing cubes. They are multi-purpose. You can do other things with them as well. One thing that I like to use the small size for is on board the plane. So I've got a couple of things that I might always want to have with me when I'm flying. Let's put a face mask down there just in case someone next to us is coughing. Toothbrush and an eye mask for sure. Some wet wipes, toothpaste, some moisturizer, some Dettol, plenty of space. Easy to access the things that you need in your seat, and you can hang this on the coat hook holder, or you can just put that in the seat pocket. Of course, you can throw your phone in there if you'd like, or Kindle. And then that's basically, you can have this in your backpack. And then when you board the plane, you put the backpack up the top. This is everything you need in your seat. You don't have to disturb the person sitting next to you. if you need to get something, everything's on hand. The other thing that you can do, that you can use it for, is just organizing some of your tech. Like, there's a really simple tech organizer. Cool. So just got a variety of tech. My battery pack, battery, GoPro, a torch for some reason, a couple of cables. There's a nice little simple pouch, just organizing all your cables and dongles and whatever else. It's really good if you're just doing a lightweight travel, because these things don't weigh much at all. There's no organization in them, of course, but it just keeps things contained, and you can just see when they're closed, like roughly what's in there. These are the Rushfaster See-Through Top Packing Cubes. The links are in the description below. Please check out those links, and if you like them, go pick yourselves up a pack.